Now I'm going to explain solar photovoltaic system with its application. Photovoltaic system. A photovoltaic system is composed of one or more solar panels combined with an inverter and other electrical and mechanical hardware that use energy from the sun to generate electricity. Photovoltaic systems can vary greatly in size from small rooftop or portable systems to massive utility scale generation plants. Although photovoltaic systems can operate by themselves as of grid photovoltaic systems, this article focus on system connected to the utility grid or grid-tied photovoltaic systems. This is all about the photovoltaic system, and you can see the picture, the solar panels. How does the system works? A light from sun made up of packets of energy called photons falls onto a solar panel and creates an electric current through a process called the photovoltaic effect. Each panel produces a relatively small amount of energy but can be linked together with other panels to produce higher amounts of energy as solar array. The electricity produced from a solar panel or array is in the form of direct current. Although many electronic devices use direct current electricity, including your phone or laptop, they are designed to operate using the electrical utility grid, which provides alternating current. Therefore, in order for solar electricity to be useful, it must first be converted from DC to AC using an inverter. This AC electricity from the inverter can then be used to power electronics locally or be sent to the electrical grid for use elsewhere. And this is the diagram of household appliances residential grid tied solar PV system diagram. And these are the solar panels, and this is an DC AC inverter, and this is a network meter, and this is a grid. Let us see the photovoltaic system components. In addition to the solar panels, there are other important components of photovoltaic system which are commonly referred to as balance of system or BOS. These components, which typically account for over half of the system cost and the most of the maintenance, can include inverters, racking, wiring, combiners, disconnects, circuit breakers, and electric meters. And solar panel. Solar panel consists of many solar cells with semiconductor properties encapsulated within a material to protect it from the environment. These properties enable the cell to capture light or, more specifically, the photons from the sun and convert their energy into useful electricity through a process called photovoltaic effect. On either side of semiconductor is a layer of conducting material which collects electricity produced. The illuminated side of the panel also contains an anti-reflection coating to minimize the losses due to the reflection. The majority of solar panels produced worldwide are made from crystalline silicon, which has a theoretical efficiency limit of 33% for converting the sun's energy into electricity. Many other semiconductor materials and solar technologies have been developed that operate at higher efficiencies, but these come with higher cost to manufacture. Racking. Racking refers to the mounting apparatus which fixes the solar array to the ground or rooftop, typically constructed from steel or aluminum. These apparatus mechanically fix the solar panels in place with a high level of precision. Racking systems should be designed to withstand extreme weather events such as hurricane or tornado level wind speeds or high accumulations of snow. Another important feature of racking system is to electrically bond and the ground to solar array to prevent electrocution. Rooftop racking systems typically come in two variants including flat roof systems and pitched roof systems. Flat rooftops it is commonly for the racking system to include weighted ballast to hold the array to the roof using gravity. On pitched rooftops, the racking system must be mechanically anchored to the roof structure, Ground mounted PV systems, as shown in the figure, can also use their ballast or mechanical anchors to fix the array to the ground. Some ground mounted tracking systems also incorporate tracking systems which use motors and sensors to track the sun through the sky. Increasingly, the amount of energy generated at a higher equipment and maintenance cost. What are the applications of solar photovoltaics application? Water pumping. Generally, the solar power is commonly used for water pumping facility, which has been proved more effective in villages for agriculture purposes. The energy from solar panel is used to operate the pump that is used to lift the water from the lower level to higher level. And the following figure shows the diagrammatic representation of it. Here we can see there is a solar panel where the sun rays are received from the solar panel and it is moved to the pump controller, and the pump controls all this, and it moves to the over tank, the surface pump, and it comes out as a ground level. Solar water pumping system. Lighting. Solar photovoltaic lighting system can be used for street lights and rural areas. Small sized panels can be easily harnessed enough to glow a street light, and LEDs means the street lights are used. The solar street lights can be used photovoltaic systems. And the traffic signals. Generally, the traffic signals at all the areas can easily be operated using solar panels. Shadow-free area is the only concept for this. We can see the traffic signals in the roads, highways, and etc. They control the cars and they control the vehicles from traffic jams. And cold storage. The solar energy can be used for cold storage as well as air conditioning application, vapor compressor system using solar photovoltaic panels, and vapor absorption system using thermal collectors can be used for this purpose. And for cooking, solar cookers are most happening in the present market. Solar cookers are commercially available and are easy to operate and maintain. The world's largest solar kitchen has been set up in India at Taleti near Mount Babu, situated at height of 1019 above sea level in Rajasthan. It boasts of 6 module solar steam cooking system and a total of 84 parabolic dish concentrators shell type receivers. Generally, the solar photovoltaic system are used in for cooking or used in like desert areas and hot temperature areas. Heating. Solar water heaters and air heaters have been very common since decades. Even before photovoltaic cells could exist, solar water heaters alone help reduce the consumption of energy to a major extent, and these trap the heat energy from the sun and store hot water in the containers. Thank you.